There's already no you separated from this to hold this in check. There's no you to hold the ego in check. There's just ego, and there's no one separated from the ego or from this to hold this in check. And claiming this to be just this, or calling this the ego, or calling this the God, or life, or this, or energy, or boundless love, is already just simply this already. And there's no one besides this to hold this in check. They are just so-called hands. And these hands are not given to you. There was nothing separated already which has gotten hands. There's no you owning the hands. There's no you able to hold this. The idea, belief that there's a separated you is already unholdable. This intense feeling that there's a you able to make something out of life is already not holdable. There's no you to hold anything, including this. And there may be a belief that this is holdable. That's it. Just a belief that something is holdable or not. Just a suggesting that there is something which is holdable or not. It's already just simply this. There's no one besides this to hold this. There's no one besides the claim as a separated someone doing the claim. The so-called body is not given to you. There was not something separated who got this body. The so-called body is not yours. The hands, the feet, the head, the intestines, the heart. There's already no one separated to have it, to own the heart, to own the body. There's just simply this body, bodying, performing activities, talking, sitting, walking, listening. It doesn't see you. It's free. It doesn't care for you. It doesn't know for you, as there's already no separation. There's nothing besides this. There was already no you who got anything, nor is there you able to get anything as a separated something else or someone else who can get this or hold this or gain it.